So let's continue. So now I'm going to run it. The point I wanted to show you, but we ran out of time. These videos are 5 minutes each. So what I wanted to show you was that the radius is going to be actually changed, and the last radius we left off with, while n is not going to be changed, because the object that's passed in is passed by value of but really reference. What's happening is it's passing the address, so it's actually modifying the object, while if you pass in n and the number, it actually is not getting modified. It's passed by value. It's just a copy, and whatever happens in this method has nothing to do with the variable that was in main. Let's check it out. Okay, so we can see here we had 1, the radius was 1, and then it went to 3.14159. The radius was 2, and this is the area. The radius is 3, this is the area. The radius is 4, this is the area. The radius is 5, and this is the area. But when we go back to main, the radius is now 6, which, if you recall, at the end of the set here, the last time, if you look on the left-hand side, the last time we were in this and we did the printout, radius was 5, and we printed out the area for 5. Then we went and we set radius to 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So as soon as we leave this, the radius is 6, and you can see back in main the radius is 6 because it actually, just like arrays that I showed you in class, it actually does get changed. The array gets changed itself. A two-dimensional array gets changed itself. And an object too, it's getting modified. It has an address in memory to where it is, and the object in memory is actually getting modified. However, it's different with integers, and primitive types are very different, and here you can see n is 5. And while back in the method, times was 0, now if we go back, it's back to 5, which was the original value passed in. So here you can see a good example of pass by value and reference.